time Alex hooked up with Dean, she was a full-blown...
Is her batteries dying?
Says did not share Alex's bad habits.
Did you ever see him drink?
Never smoke.
Never do drugs?
No. Christina stopped working for Dean almost a year before he died. Still, she's sure Dean would never inject himself with heroin. But she wonders if Alex might have.
Do you think that's what happened?
I think it's possible, especially with the case in Santa Cruz where she actually did that.
The idea that she's going around randomly sticking people with heroin needles is preposterous. These are grown men, they know exactly what they're doing.
So this is the masquerade, this is Dean's plan.
Todd is an Atlanta business
Well,
owner.
it's just me. I
He's
guess
asked us
Google
not
is
to
a
use
smart,
his last
educated
name,
person.
but